has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Wadena County in central Minnesota, northeastern Otter Tail County in west central Minnesota, southeastern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rochard, or near Detroit Lakes, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit